Okay, let's work on problem 16.2 together. 16.2 calculates our bond yields, and we're calculating the three different rates that Chapter 16 talks about. Preston Corporation has a bond outstanding with an $80 annual interest payment, a market price of $1,250, and a maturity date of 10 years. Assume the par value of the bond is $1,000. We first want to find the coupon rate. All right, the coupon rate is going to be the rate stated on the bond, and we can calculate that by dividing the amount of the interest, which is $80, the par value of the bond, which is $1,000. Okay, the amount of the interest divided by the par value of the bond gives us our coupon rate, and that happens to be 8%. All right, B wants us to calculate the current rate. The current rate. All right, and the current rate we can calculate similarly. We take the amount of interest being paid, which is $80, and divide it by the current market price, which is $1,250. And if we do the math on that, we end up with 6.40%. That's the current rate. Now what we want to do is calculate the yield to maturity. And the easiest way to calculate this is with your calculator. So go ahead and grab your calculators. And remember, the first thing we're going to do is clear everything on our calculator once we turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'll turn my calculator on and clear work. And then we're going to press the second button and the FV button, and that will clear our time value of money calculations. So second, clear time value of money. And then if you recall, we have a number of buttons we need to program. We have N, we have IY, we have PV, we have payment, PMT, and we have future value. All right, so let's take a look at the problem. Let's see, the maturity date is 10 years, so N equals 10. The interest rate here is the yield to maturity is what we're trying to calculate. All right. The present value is going to be the current market rate, which is $1,250. That's how much it would cost us to buy in the market. So that's how much we would pay for the right to receive the next number, which is the payment, $80. And then finally, at the end of 10 years, we'll receive $1,000 back. That's the future value. So once we plug this into our calculator, okay, and again, you should be able to do this without any problem at this point. All right, go ahead and put the numbers in for each of the buttons, and when you're done, you compute IY, and you should get 4.79%. 4.79%.